Dear students, today we discuss the remaining part of polynomial chapter of class 9. Last class we discussed exercise 5.1 and we discuss what is polynomial. Today we discuss about the coefficient of a variable term. Suppose I take a variable term 6x square. Here x is variable. So coefficient is a number or a constant which is multiplied with the variable term. So if you are asked to find the constant term of x square, so we have get 6 into x square. So number is what? 6. That means coefficient of x square is 6. Again we take another term, suppose minus x square. So minus x square means what? Minus 1 into x square. So the coefficient of x square is what here? Minus 1. Now we discuss what is given. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. See 1, 2 plus x square plus x. So you have to find the number what is multiplying with x square. So see, x square means what? X square means 1 into x square. So coefficient of x square is what? 1. Very simple. Now we discuss the example 5. So now we discuss the example 5. Here you are given to find the coefficient of x square. Here what we do? We first simplify the expression. So first we have used distribution law. Distribution law means what? Twice x. We have to multiply twice x with this term and we have to multiply minus 3 with this term. Okay? So twice x square minus 3x plus 1 and minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we use distribution law. So here twice x, here x square. So we have twice x into x square. Here plus minus twice x into 3x. Here plus, here also plus. Plus into plus twice x into 1. Okay? Here see minus plus minus into plus minus 3 into x square. Here minus into minus plus 3 into 3x. Okay? Minus 3, here plus 1. Minus into plus minus 3 into 1, 3. So what we get? 2x into x square, x cube. 2 into 3, 6. X into x square. Twice x into 1, twice x. Minus 3x square plus 3 3 is 9x minus 3. So we get twice x cube. Here minus 6x square and here minus 3x square. So we get minus 9x square. Here plus 2x, here plus 9x. We get 11x and minus 3. So what is the number multiplied with x square? This is minus 9. So in this term, coefficient of x square is what? Coefficient of x square is minus 9. Okay? Now we see the example 3. Now see the example 3. What is given? Give one example of each of a binomial degree 35 and of monomial of degree 100. I have already discussed binomial means what? Polynomials which have only two terms are called binomial. And monomial means what? Polynomial which have only one term, that's called monomial. So here we need a binomial. That means that means a polynomial which have two terms. And degree is what? Degree is 35. I have already discussed degree of a polynomial means what? Degree of a polynomial we have already discussed. Degree means what? Highest power of variable. So you need to write a binomial. Binomial means that must have two terms. Okay, so I write x plus 5. This is a binomial. Okay, but here degree is what? Degree is power variable exponent of x is 1. So here degree is 1. But you need a binomial whose degree is 35. So here you write 35. So this is a binomial whose degree is 35. And now and now we need monomial of degree 100. That means a polynomial which have only one term and degree is 100. So here you write simply you write x to the power 100. This is the answer. Okay. Now see example 3. What is given? Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So I have already discussed what is the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial means what? The greatest power, the greatest exponent of variable in that expression. So here you see in first example here you see 5x cube, 4x square, 7x. So exponent of here 5 is constant and x is variable. So exponent of x is 3, exponent of here x is 2, and exponent of here x is 1. So which is the greatest exponent? 3 is the greatest exponent. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Okay. Now see 4 minus y square. Here variable is y. Here exponent of y is 2, and here don't see any variable. But in last class I discussed 4 can be written as 4 into y to the power 0. That because y to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means 4 into 1 means 4. So here we can take a variable which power is 0. So greatest power is what? Greatest power is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Similarly here exponent of t is what? 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. But 3 can be written as 3 into x to the power 0 or 3 into y to the power 0. You can use any variable which power is 0. So the highest power is here what? 0. So degree of this polynomial is 0. Okay. Now see example 5. What is given? Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So first we have to know what is linear polynomial, what is quadratic polynomial, and what is cubic polynomial. See, polynomials are classified with respect to degree. So linear polynomial means what? Polynomials which are of degree 1 are called linear polynomial. That means x plus 1, here exponent of x is 1, here 0, so degree is 1. So such types of polynomials are called linear polynomial. And quadratic polynomial means what? Polynomials of degree 2 are called quadratic polynomial. That means x squared plus x plus 1. Here power exponent is 2, here exponent of variable is 1, here 0. So 2 is the greatest exponent. So degree is 2 and this is quadratic polynomial. Okay. And cubic means what? Polynomials of degree 3 are called cubic polynomial. That means I write a polynomial x cube plus x squared plus 5x plus 6. So here exponent is 3, here 2, here 1, here 0. So 3 is the greatest exponent. So this is called cubic polynomial. So see here degree is what? 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Here degree is 3. So this is cubic. Here degree is 2. So this is quadratic. Okay. Here degree is 1. So this is linear. And here degree is what? Here variable is r and degree is 2. So this is quadratic. Okay. And here degree is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. Okay. So and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.